Why is nobody talking about this? Did y'all know that the dental industry is running one of the biggest $5 billion scams in American history today? That's a crazy message. I was hired by the Bitely team to look into this and document the exposure series to really dive into why teeth grinding solutions are so overlooked today. I mean, why are these $750 if it costs them $50 to make? I don't understand it. Follow along in the series as we discover why dentists are overlooking teeth grinding.